So in the yard today, we've got a Sabre lawn tractor made by John Deere. How do I know that? Because it says right on the side, by John Deere. So this mower, here's the model number, and you'll see the date code says 1998. So getting a couple of years on her. I like servicing this lawnmower because when I drive this thing, it feels rock solid. So it's not a cheapy thing. Don't know what a Sabre costs, but take a look at the engine here. We got a V twin Briggs Vanguard. Pretty simple console there. Easy to access anything that you might need to get into there. Oh, we got a broken grill. But here we go. Sabre by John Deere.